Hi, I'm Melodie. I'm 20 years old. I'm a second year student at ITIPS, and this is a day in my life. In terms of morning routines, I don't really have a routine. They're just things that I hope I stick to. For example, tea in the morning.
A day in class can look very different. It could start from going to the city center before going to class, to listen to a lecture, or even participate in group work. And this can be done in our classrooms, on the main campus, or in our design factory. And as you can see, there are so many things around it to just represent the international aspect of our school.
It's sad to say that I've been taken for my job at the H&M. I'm really excited. Meppel has so many things to offer, and just many places that take international students as well as Dutch students, so that's really great. I'm currently on my way to the library, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to finish one of my assignments.
It's a really lovely library. It has English books as well as Dutch books. The people here are really sweet, really nice. It's just a very quiet place to study in case you can't study at home like I do. Just because it just offers peace and you feel like you have to study here. Like you feel like you need to study when you're here. I'm officially done.
I'm currently on my way to go to Sons and Daughters, which is a known cafe here in Meppel. And it's really nice. They have a lot of things to offer, and a lot of us students go there.
Outside of classes, I like to take the time to hang out with friends or go to my church and go to events there, but also just explore outside of Meppel and even outside of the Netherlands.
I just hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I tried to show what I do in a day. I hope that you guys have fun watching, and yeah, thank you.